Hey, peace to my plant-based partners. Now, the Super Bowl only happens once every year, so I think it's the one day you should be able to eat all the junk food that you want, especially meat. But unfortunately, nobody wants a bunch of vegans at their Super Bowl party bringing tofu and vegetable platters. So, today we're making a super fun double foot-long, authentic New York hoagie, and we're using the winner of our deli meat contest from the last video. All right, check it out.
I like this one.
All right, thank you.
I liked that one.
Now, I also chose the slider that was made with the Koji deli meat. So it was a unanimous decision, and my whole family chose the deli meat made with Koji, a Japanese fungus, and not the meat made with wheat gluten. So, hey, live on the edge, eat some fungus for the Super Bowl. All right, anyway, let's make our sandwich.
All right, so here are our ingredients. First we have some chopped lettuce, some cheddar cheese, and that's real cheese, chopped onions, fresh tomatoes. You gotta have your pepperoncinis, mustard, vegan mayonnaise, vinegar, and this is a really good olive oil right here. And now the star of the show, we got the classic smoked Koji ham, the Koji salami, the cracked pepper turkey, and the smoked turkey. 4 different types of Koji meat right there. And from our local bakery, some fresh bread. And those are our ingredients. Now, when handling a double foot long loaf of bread, you got to be very careful. Unfortunately, mine broke a little. So take your time splitting your bread open. And then we're going to add our mayonnaise and our mustard first. And of course, to your liking, I kept mine minimal. And you can see right there how my bread cracked. It's a bummer. Now we're going to layer our meats. So first, I'm going to put down a layer of ham. Next, I'm going to put down a layer of turkey. And then I'm going to go back over it with another layer of ham. And this so that the finished product is nicely color coded. Then we're going to go back over that with more turkey. Now, in between the next layer of meat, we're going to put our cheddar cheese. And there's a reason for that. And now we're going to top our meat off with the salami. Now it's time for the raw onions. Now the raw onions give it a kick. And it gives your breath a kick too. So, hey, go kind of light. Now we have our chopped lettuce. And we're going to put our pepperoncinis. Now, I forgot to videotape it. But you got to put down your oil and vinegar. And oil and vinegar, for me, is a must for a New York style authentic hoagie. And lastly, we're going to put down our sweet, ripe tomatoes.
And so here you have it, our double foot long New York authentic hoagie with the Koji meat. And as my family will tell you, this meat really tastes like, this plant-based meat really tastes like meat.
Sure does.
They're not convincing, but trust me, it does. Hey, enjoy the Super Bowl, whoever you're rooting for. I hope they win. Plant-based partners.
We out.